In fact, this is the most beautiful update YouTube has brought to YouTubers. In fact, new YouTubers, old YouTubers, you guys are lucky. You know, after you might have gotten your 4,000 watch hours and then 1,000 subscribers, which we all know that these are the requirements for YouTube. Then after that, you know that before you start receiving your money, you must verify your Adsense pin and your identity. No more going to post office to collect Adsense pin. You can actually verify your pin now using just your smartphone. It's a lie. Yeah, guys, come. I am going to show you. But you need to watch to the end. Don't skip any of this information and then subscribe. Let's dive in. Gotten your $10 threshold, you'll be asked to verify your address. So what we need to do, as you guys can see, they said action required. Is either you click here or you click on this 3-line dot and go to payments. When you go to payments, you will see verification check. If you click on verification check, it will take you to this phase. Then you will see that they ask me to verify my identity, and this verification of identity, they gave me time to submit it. You understand? So this is the now. Before, it's only to use ID and mail pin verification, but now they are bringing out another option, which is to verify it online. So I'm going to go ahead and then click on verify now and click on verify now. So they said they will be redirecting you to personnel. Continue to the personal site to verify your identity, where you will be subject to personal privacy. Then I'll click on continue. Make sure that your voter's card, NIN, is available, and if you are the one verifying, you're going to choose your face. They said get started, begin verification. So they said, what country is your government ID? Probably we are in Nigeria, so it's automatically selected. So but if you're in another country, you can click here and select your country. But since I'm in Nigeria, I am going to choose Nigeria. So I'll click on select. So they said upload a photo ID. So they asked me of driver license, national ID, passport and voter's card. So I have my NIN, which is national ID. Now they asked me to upload or take a photo of this thing. So guys, I'm coming back to upload this photo. Sorry, I didn't find my NIN, so I have to use my voter's card to do this. So I first of all upload the front photo of my voter's card, then I now turn the back and also snap it, and they accepted it. The ID, so they will bring out this and ask you to put your address. You finish, you now click on continue. Now once you finish, they will ask you to put your face, to verify your face. So they will be asking you to turn around, open your mouth, just do everything they ask you to do. Now look at it, verified. Congratulations, you are done. This is you don't even need to go to any post office to collect pin. You have automatically verified your address, you have automatically verified your identity. Let's check it out, guys. My identity is completed. Now I am going to be receiving my monthly earning once I cross $100 threshold on YouTube. Once my money is completed $100, they'll bring me option to put my dollar account details. Have you gotten your dollar account? If no, please go straight ahead to get your dollar account, and in my next video I'm going to teach you how to put your tax information, because every YouTuber needs to post their tax detail. But this should be in our next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share so that other people will see this info.